Why were you angry with him? It was because he jumped onto the bus while it was moving. Where was the pen? I saw it under the table. Where is the parrot? It flew over that house. Where was she? She ran towards the park. Is the book on the table? Yes, it is. Where is the file? The file is in the box. Where did he sit? He sat there beside her. Where is the laptop? The laptop is inside the cupboard. Shall I call you to provide the update? No, please don't call me. Send the information by mail. Would you like to pay in cash or by debit card? I would like to pay by debit card. With you, I have planned to go to Mahabalipuram this weekend. Oh no, our office is open even on weekends. I need to go to office. When do you go swimming? I go swimming in the summer. When is your birthday? My birthday is in March. When is the party? The party is on Saturday. When does Santa Claus come? Santa Claus comes on Christmas Eve. At what time do you brush your teeth at night? I brush my teeth before bedtime. What are we going to do after lunch? We are going to attend music class after lunch. Can you give me an example sentence with the word sun? The sun rises in the east. Where did you see the ad? I saw the ad on the TV. Where is the manager exactly sitting? The manager is exactly sitting between the team leader and the HR manager. On which floor is your apartment? My apartment is on the 4th floor. Where exactly is the bank in your building? The bank is on the 3rd floor, which is directly below my apartment. Where exactly is his office room? His office room is next to my office room. You're looking at something. What's that? I am looking at the person who is standing behind you. Where else should I sign the check? Please sign at the back of the check leaf. What are you doing? I'm watching a video on YouTube. Did you know about Odisha train accident? Yes, I did. I got the news from the internet.